Hi guys! So for today's video, i-unbox natin ang ating parcel. So, kakarte nyo lang guys. Sobrang laki niya, diba? Sobrang magamit talaga siya ito guys. Gamit na gamit ito sa bahay. Ayun, maganda. This is from Lambion. Lambion, thank you so much for the discount. Charot po. Bakit naman Lambion? Talaga ang order sa inyo. Grabe yung pag-package ng Lambion. Sobrang bagay yung unbox. Mag-unpack nito. Naiirit ako kasi kung ganito yung mga matitigas na ano. So yan. That's the tissue. Dami kong tissue guys kasi this is the most important thing in my life. So, ano siya guys? 3, 6, 9. OMG, 12 pieces. Look, 12 pieces siya lahat na isang box. Sobrang cute. Yan. So, wala like it. So, sobrang cute niya guys. And then, yan. Then, tatlong color lang pala siya. So, ayan o. Sobrang dami niya guys. Ako lang sa 160 plus. Meron yung matatanggap na 12 pieces na tissue. So, actually 10 pieces po talaga siya. Then, meron siyang pa-free na 2 pieces. So, that's why 12 pieces lahat. Oh my god. So, wala lang. Importante kasi sa akong tissue guys. Yes. Sobrang, yeah, 12 pieces siya lahat. So, every linear line dito is 6 pieces. 2, 4, 6. My proof na 12 pieces talaga yung matatanggap mo every box. So, yan guys ha. 2, 4, 6. Ayan. Ay! Ayan siya. 12 pieces yung lahat guys. So, yung isa is i-unbox natin. This is the last box. So, same lang sila guys. Dalawa kasi yung in-order kong tissue. Yung malaki and then yung maliit. And then, ito is yung malaki. So, yung apat lang siya guys. Yan siya. 160 plus din ito or 190. I don't think so kung ilang magkano yung presyo niya. Yan. Ito na siya every box. So, meron siyang ano. Hindi ko mabilang kung ilang to guys, ilang tissue, ilang pieces ng tissue to. Pero, study na yun. So, same box lang sa isa. So, yun lang, yung tissue natin. So, sobrang laki na natin. Parcel pack. Tapos lang, 4 tissue yung laman, di ba? So, yes. So, the last but not the least is this one. I-unpack natin. Open natin ito guys. So, yeah. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap ba to? Or I don't think so kung ano siya. So, nakabalot siya ng M1. Anong tawag ito? Sa'yo na yun. Wait lang. So, this is the, ta-da-da-da. So, tatlo lang siya yung binilay ko guys. So, this is from Caroline or Curlin. I don't think so. I don't know how to pronounce this, brand name. So, this is the oil control blush on. So, kasi oily skin kasi guys. So, that's why oil control yung binili ko na blush. So, sobrang mura lang siya guys kasi naka-sell po sila. I think 120 or 100 plus. 100 plus to lahat guys. Each pala, 100 plus each. And then yung nagastos ko nito is 300 plus yung nabayaran ko ito. 380 something like that. So, ito yung blush. And then, this is this Acne Spot Concealer. So, yan guys. Sobrang ganda. Wow. I like the guys kasi mukha siyang salamin, no? So, this is the Acne Spot Concealer. So, ito try natin as soon as possible kasi malapit na yung party namin. So, on Monday na yung party namin, guys. So, this is sobrang cute niya. 100 plus din ito, guys, kasi nag-sell din Caroline. So, the last but not the least is this one. Caroline or Curlin All Control Mattifying Loose Powder. Yeah, yun. So, yes. Open natin siya, guys. So, yung shade niya is translucent. So, ayan. Sobrang liit niya. This is a translucent. So this is my shade actually. I don't think so kung it is the shade one. That's fit for my skin. So let me try this as soon as possible guys. Well, that's all for today's video guys. And ito lang yung pinaka friendly price. So that's why ito yung pinili ko kasi dahil low budget tayo dahil. Tingnan na, tatlo yung pinili ko guys kasi simple lang. Dito yung mag full makeup kasi baka irritate yung skin na baka ma-irritate naman ang skin natin or mag-breakouts tayo. So, sana naman hindi na tayo mag-breakouts no, kapag gamit yung mga makeup. So, yeah, that's all guys. And if you wanted to buy this one, I'll put another video siguro kung So, about kuan guys, Yellow Basket, if you wanted to check out these products, kasi nag-sale yung Careline guys, sobrang mura, sobrang mura yung mga products ng Careline. And then yung also the tissue, sobrang, guys, sobrang mura lang talaga nila. Siya, naka-free shipping. Free shipping po ito lahat yung in-order ko. So, yung iba is, nag-antay pa ako sa ibang parcel. Ang dami parcel na ba din guys? Parcel and side products. That's all, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to, wala lang, to like, bye.